Another rule which is incredibly important is the actual rises of the step or the stringers. What you've got here is an actual set of steps leading onto a little deck. Now the actual stringers, okay, are not enclosed. So in this situation, when you walk up the steps, so you can see that there's actually nothing behind them. Now stair treads, or I should say steps these days, actually have to be what's called opaque. Opaque means that you actually can't see in between the steps, because what happens again is that as you walk up, you may not lift your foot high enough to actually put it on the tread. Sometimes visually impaired people also have walking canes, and again that potentially is a huge hazard if they, for example, trip up and fall on the stair nosing.